You've probably heard about all the benefits of taking omega-3s, but the information out there can be confusing. My name is José Fortin. I'm a naturopath and a biochemist, and I'm here today to talk to you about a very nice supplement called Veg Omega-3. We hear a lot about cutting out bad fats from our diet for heart benefits, but there's also good fats that should be introduced. A lot of people do include good fats in their regular diet by consuming healthy foods. But some fats are harder to get in sufficient amounts. The ones that are a little bit harder to get are the omega-3s because the sources are more limited. We can get some from fish, seaweed, but also from flaxseed, but these are limited sources. People have more difficulty putting them regularly in their diet. And we do need all those omegas for healthy balance. It is important to keep a good balance between omega-3, 6, and 9. In the North American diet nowadays, because we add a lot of vegetable oils to all the prepared food, people have a tendency to consume a lot more omega-6 than they used to. Also, the cows are now fed with grains instead of grass. When they used to eat grass, that would increase the amount of omega-3 in the meats and in the dairy products. But now, because they eat mainly grains instead, well, this includes more omega-6. And when you change that ratio between omega-6 and 3, you do increase inflammation in the body. But on the other hand, if there's a good ratio between omega-6 and 3, well then the inflammation is easier to control because the omega-3s are transformed into EPA, which is an element that will help control inflammation in the body. The quality of the ingredient in Veg Omega-3 allows us to have a product that's easier to assimilate and absorb. The reason is the raw material does not need any extra treatment for it to be safe for consumption. The seaweed oil inside this remedy is guaranteed without any heavy metal contamination as a raw material. So when they do extract the oil, they do not need to treat it in any way to remove elements, so that makes it more stable and makes it easier to digest. When we compare to fish oil, because of the heavy metal contamination of all the raw material, all the treatments that they need to go through makes them products that are a lot harder for the body to digest and will create a lot of digestive complaints. This is not something we observe with the Veg Omega-3. This product is even suitable for vegetarian and vegan because not only the raw material is adequate for them, but also the gel cap is made entirely of plant raw material. This is also a product that is suitable for pregnant ladies and nursing mothers. This is a supplement that's suitable for people who have allergies to fish, krill, and seafood because it does not contain any allergen that you find in those foods. For those who are on blood thinners, you should consult your physician before taking this supplement.